In this video we will install Laravel and we will install Breeze as a starter kit, and we will create database and configure with env file, and we will run our development server. To install Laravel we need to use this command: composer create project Laravel, and also we can create install Laravel globally. After install globally we can run Laravel new and our project name. This command we can install in the both way. In Laravel documentation, in here we can change our version, Laravel version. From here we need to use this command to our command prompt. Let's try. I have already created a directory and open with its cmd. Let's paste it. Name our project Laravel CRUD. Hit enter. Okay, it installing. It will take some time. I am skipping this. Okay, our Laravel has installed it. Let's move to the directory where we install Laravel. Okay, now we need to install Laravel starter kit. Go to the installation, copy this command and paste it here. Laravel Breeze installing now. It will not take longer. Okay, it is installed. Let's try to open in our code editor. To do that, just write code dot hit enter. Okay, our project successfully open in our code editor. Command terminal here. We can use this command here in terminal and also to our command prompt. No problem, it will work same. Let's try here. What is our front end? It will blade with Alpine or we can use React, Vue, whatever. Here I am using just blade. Dark mode, yes. Testing PHP unit, okay, no problem. Okay, this is installed, is already installed. Here is a simple error, we will fix it, no problem. Okay, let's move to the code editor and try to run the server with PHP artisan serve. Let's move to the browser. Okay, we successfully installed Laravel and Breeze. Let's create database because we need to configure env file. Go to the env file, just change the database name, or everything is okay. Okay, now we need to run the migration file, php migrate. Okay, it's done. Now try to create a new user. Go to register. It will send us an error because we need to configure beat. Let's try to npm run dev, and it will showing this error. We need to fix this. To do that, go to post css and comment this and just use this command module.export everything. Okay, now run again. Okay, it's successfully open. Let's move to the browser, refresh. Okay, it's done. Let's create a new user. Admin, email, and password. Register. Okay, it's done. Successfully registered a new user and we are logged in. So in this video we complete our all the task: install Laravel, install Breeze, configure env and creating database and running the developing server. In the next video we will learn how to write our route. Thank you for watching.